Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something for my truck, but it can be for any truck, any car, any basic vehicle that you have. And it's by a company that's selling these on Amazon, and the store is the Maiker Off-Road store, and it is it's a universal Molle panel for hooking up bags, and I'm going to show you about it right after this. I'm not there right now. Hey guys, welcome back. So let me show you this real quick. Kind of a little tight spot we're getting into, but basically it came with a bunch of bags, has a bag. I have a red one too somewhere, but that's full of stuff, so I can actually use this one. But Velcro, comes with came with two of these, but I don't know where the other one went to. I just dropped it somewhere. Anyway, so there's a bag there. Here's another bag that's kind of waterproof, right? Here's another bag, just whatever. There's another bag. So it's got a bunch of different types of bags. Even the bags themselves can be, they have their own Molle adapter. And then it's got this one down here. It's like a nice little pouch. But basically how this is going to work, and it comes with two of these things, and I'm not sure really what that's all about. There weren't any directions in it, so I'll say that. But basically how we're going to do this is we're going to put this around the headrest right there, and then this one we're going to take and put around the seat. It's going to fit under the seat. Son of a mother. Okay. Take it around the seat. So it's going to come underneath the seat like that. Just get around the seat belt, and you clip it in, and then once you get it clipped in, once I get it all worked out, I'll hide it. I want some looseness right now so we can hook up some stuff. So then it's just a matter of taking your gear and putting your gear where you want it to go. So okay guys, so basically what you need to do first is you need to figure out how this thing opens up. See, look at that. So that's pretty friggin' awesome. Okay guys, so it's got some pretty cool stuff in here I just found out. So I was trying to figure out which way you want to install this, because obviously if you just want to get into your pack, you don't want to open it up and everything falls out. But what I realize is it's got a breakaway panel. So we're going to put that to the side for the moment, and we're going to utilize the breakaway. Now it's got those clips that I just threw up in here somewhere. I don't know what I just did with them. But anyway, we could use those, or we can just go ahead, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these through the Molle panel right here. Put each one of these through. Let me see if that wants to fit. Maybe it wants to fit in this one. Maybe, oh, wrong one, sorry. So we're going to take that down, and the snaps are right here, so we can go through, we're going to go through two of these, keep it kind of flat. And you know, this is, I'm doing this on camera, but Lord knows I'm probably going to have to readjust stuff later to fit my needs. But that's the cool thing about a Molle panel, is that you can do all kinds of stuff. You can figure out your needs later and adapt. Put that on there. So now we've got what the heck did I just do with it? There it is. Okay, so now what you need to do is you take this strap off like that, and you figure out which way it opens up, because in the event that you open it in the truck, you don't want it to open up and spill. Like I said, it's got a little hole right there, so if you get anything in there, any water, dust, it will come out. So that's how it's gonna go in, like that. So basically, this is just an extra strap to hold stuff in. We're going to put it right there, and you can use that. And we're just going to go ahead and put the Velcro right there, okay, right there like that. And then you strap that up. That just holds it in so it doesn't bounce around and rip the Velcro. But if you say you get in a hurry, someone's hurt, and it's an emergency, you undo that and you just pull it off and run. Right? So that's pretty nice. Gotta say, pretty nice. We're going to strap that back in there. I'll go in after the fact, clean some of this stuff up, tuck it out of the way. Let me see if I can tuck it out of the way for now. Whatever. Okay. So then there's another bag. It's got a waterproof bag. Not really sure what I would use that for, but I do think it's pretty cool because you can put something in there. Say I do go kayaking a lot, so we could put my cell phone in here. And I wouldn't say it's waterproof. I'm sure it's not submersible proof, but it definitely is splash proof. So without a doubt, there. Put that up in here. Same thing. We'll just skip a couple. Skip a couple. Go down a couple. Again, you can use those little clips to screw in the pooch here. This is not something that's easy to do on camera quickly. This panel, same thing, and you don't have to use everything on here, obviously. This is actually, let me see, actually has, I wonder if there's something in here. Let me see something. Take this off. Something in here. So it's got a strap. So if you want to take something with you, you take the strap and you put the straps. I just saw them here a second ago. Oh, little loop in here like this, loop your straps in, and then you got a bag for on the go. You could take it with you. You make a fanny pack out of it, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to make a fanny pack out of it unless I'm on trail or something, but that's still nice to have, very nice to have. So we'll put that back inside for now. It's got a little net in here, it's got some pockets. All of these bags have different pockets and different stuff in here to use for however your use dictates. So I'm gonna that one can go right there. I'm going to actually keep that off because I think that's something that might be useful to have more on the go. Here. And again, this isn't something you're going to be into all the time, but it's definitely nice. It's definitely nice to have some, you know, you can put some extra ammo in here. Something like that. And what's really nice about this panel is I get my stuff set up, and like I'm getting ready to go on a trip tomorrow and I'm taking a rental car because I'm going for work. I can take this off and put it on the truck I'm taking, and then I've got my own setup. So that's kind of nice. I really like that. Take our little flag. It's Velcro on there, so nice. It's pretty good. And take our last bag. You know, and this is nice when you got a lot of junk in your trunk or truck. You got some junk in your trunk, and you just want to. This would actually be easier to set up outside of the truck, which is probably what I should have done, but I didn't do that because I didn't think of it till right now. And I'm not going to lie, it is a little bit of a chore to get these through the Molle thing, but this has nothing to do with the company. They're all like this. It's a pretty standard Molle panel setup. So you get everything in there nice and tight, and you pull your... I'll do our strap here for a second, and then you just a matter of pulling that down a little bit. Take an inch or two out of it, pull it up, and of course, like everything else, it just takes a little while to get it set up. Once I get the bottom nice and choked up, not too bad. My seat right now is all the way back because it moves when I get out of the truck. I have it set to give me as much room to get away from the steering wheel, but in a normal application there's plenty of room in here for the back passenger, so it's not really in the way. I normally run a fire extinguisher right there, and I can still use this fire extinguisher. I could still hang it up there on the headrest. It'll still work, not a problem. I'm not going to put it on right now until I get all this stuff taken care of. But all in all, I think it's a pretty good thing. This thing is not very expensive. I'll leave the link below. I super love this. You're in a hurry, snatch and go. That is freaking fantastic. That is so awesome. When you're in a hurry, you want to run. You want to take off. Someone's hurt. I mean, I'm probably not going to carry any, you know, blood clotting stuff in here, but I could, or whatever it is. But you know, your kids get hurt. They need help now. So you're in a hurry when your kid gets hurt. So I think it's a pretty nice little thing. Let's open this one back up and just take a quick look. So generally, you're gonna have like some band-aids and that kind of stuff like that. So there's some pouches in here to put stuff. Here's a strap, so you can put some stuff there, put some stuff here, clip the little things on there, whatever it is. Maybe put some tools in there, and then pack this full of crap. I normally like to pack it in sandwich bags, Ziploc bags, and then you can get it out so it doesn't get wet, doesn't fall all over the place when you get there. It's kind of how I usually roll. It's a pretty standard setup. I will say that I have bought some of these bags individually, and for the price of this whole thing and all these bags and all the stuff you get, I think that this is probably as cheap as buying maybe 2 bags. So I think this price-wise, it was a pretty good deal. I can't recall exactly what it was. I want to say it was somewhere around 60 bucks, but it's below. I'll flash it on the screen. I'll leave the link in the description. Check it out. I think it's a good thing. You know, I'm ex-military, so anything that's military-like I kind of like. And there's plenty of room for this bag. If I just situate this stuff a little bit different, I can put it right down there at the bottom. But I'm just going to leave this out because I think this is a pretty good to-go bag. So if there's certain things you want to put lots of or whatever, I'm going to actually throw this under the seat. So I got a good grab bag to run off with. But I think that's pretty handy. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking it out. Once again, check them out online. And flashing right now, I should be flashing somewhere over my head. I should be flashing the name of the company and stuff like that. Again, in the link to the description. Thanks for checking me out. Check me out on Instagram, TikTok, right here on YouTube. And I really appreciate it, guys. And as always, peace out.